All right, more news coming in this evening. These are the first images of Delhi High Court Judge's house. Pile of burnt cash at Justice Verma's home. High Court Chief Justice report exclusively accessed. Chief Justice report have been accessed by us. Remember, we also in fact told our viewers about the Supreme Court forming a panel to probe Justice Verma. But the video on your screen is what we're telling you about. The cash can be seen in this video. Half-burnt cash which can be seen in these pictures on your screen at this point in time. The video recorded during the time the fire was being doused in the home of Justice Verma when this cash was retrieved. Nalini has got more details on that. Nalini, this video there just showing how much cash was in fact found in the house of Justice Verma. Talk to us a little about what he said so far in his defense.
Yes, Neha, in fact, this video has just come out and there has also been details that have been put out into the public domain by the Supreme Court that has been looking into this matter. And Justice Sanjeev Khanna has stated that he received this information during the holy vacations that there was a fire at the residence of one of the judges. And when he inquired about the incident, he got to know that Justice Verma told him that around 8:30 a.m. He was at the Delhi High Court guest house, and Justice Verma responded by saying that the room where the fire had broken out had only included all of the valuables of the items of the house that were unusable, including the furniture and the mattresses. And he also told that the room was accessible by the servants, the gardeners, and also sometimes by the CWD persons. So these are the details that are coming out regarding this entire probe that has now been ordered by the Supreme Court. Remember, the Supreme Court, led by CJI Sanjeev Khanna, has set up an inquiry panel led by two Chief Justices of Punjab and Himachal High Courts, as well as one judge from the Karnataka High Court, that is going to inquire into the allegations against Justice Verma as to whether or not there was any quid pro quo, especially with regard to the cases and the cases that were listed before him. Along with that, even the judicial work has been withdrawn from him for the time being, so it remains to be seen what happens in this case as things go further. But details are fast emerging right now, with all these details being put out by the Supreme Court in the extent of transparency and full public disclosure. Remember, even the date that this news had broken out, the Supreme Court had put out a categorical statement about how the in-house inquiry procedure was set up and the fact that the transfer had nothing to do with it. So it remains to be seen what further details now come into the limelight, because now even this video has emerged where you can clearly see that there are half-burnt piles of cash recovered at the residence where the fire had burnt. And even the fire officials who were in the video are heard saying कि Mahatma Gandhi में आग लग रही है, referring to the huge pile of cash and half-burnt cash that you can clearly see in the videos. So it remains to be seen what happens later in the coming days and what comes out of this probe and how the Supreme Court plans to tackle it, because it's a huge question mark that is now being raised on the higher judiciary in the country itself.
The cash scandal that has hit the judiciary. I'm going to thank you getting in those details. Nalini, in fact, with us with the very latest on that. Let's take a look at that video also, which has now surfaced.
महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई,